Hello friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video we are talking about the Ross's Dress for Less 49-cent sale. And yes, items do get reduced down to 49 cents towards the end of January at Ross's if you might have the store. We're going to quickly go through the avenues to have the most amount of success. This is the store. This is not affiliated with like TJ Maxx or the other stores. It has to be Ross's. So you're going to have to do a quick little search, your zip, and do you have this store? And if it's like, half an hour away, definitely worth going. If it's a longer drive with a bunch of tolls and, driving in winter weather, I would say probably not so much. But you decide, you're, of course, the boss. So here's the predictions. I think it's going to be Monday, January the 26th. We're going to start seeing items drop down to 49 cents. Between now and the 26th, which is a Monday, we're going to start seeing items reduced down from anywhere from $4.99, $3.49, $1.49, possibly even 99 cents, and it's going to keep dropping in the next couple of weeks. They want to make the most amount of money, and then the final drop happens on that Monday, the 26th, which I'm estimating. Employees manually have to enter these numbers with a gun, so even if you show up first thing on the 26th, this isn't penny shopping or clearance shopping. It physically has to be done one by one, so you have to be patient. And even if I went later in the afternoon, this was my haul from last year when it dropped. And I got like just a ton of stuff. And I'm actually showing a receipt, which I normally don't do. Because this is a really contentious sort of store where people don't believe that items drop for 49 cents. But this is the actual receipt. And I didn't do this because I'm going to show you all the corresponding stuff here in a second. So this is the receipt. I don't know what it is about this 49-cent sale. It angers a lot of people. And then just to show you, I was like, get to the store. I mean, K-Cups for 49 cents. And then just a whole bunch of toys, various little items, either 49 cents or up to $2.49. Not everything dropped to 49 cents when I was there that day. And then when you're walking into the store, obviously look for the front where they have all the coffee, Funko Pops, and food. And there is a lot of Christmas food still in the mix. So anything with bulbs, bows, snowmen, Santa, that's what we're looking for. Anything that looks candy cane-ish, 49 cents. And I think like hot chocolate in the dead of January or February, even though it has a Christmas decor, it's probably still just fantastic. And this was one of my favorite finds. I found this double pack of cups with a bag of these Tate's cookies for 49 cents. That's really great. I found a bunch of these Godiva chocolates for 49 cents as well. I donated a bunch to a senior's home. They were so happy. And then gummies, probably if you like gummies or if your kids like them. And so just start looking. And even some of this stuff, anything that looks Christmassy, trees, peppermint, you're going to have a very discerning eye for that, and just look for them and you will be in business. Now with Christmas, a lot of the decor items that just didn't sell or people just weren't interested, a lot of cups I saw there. This little cutie pie winking for 49 cents. Lots of gift wrap as well. The Santas of the world, absolutely adorable. And it was a higher quality paper. I found 2 reams of it and they were 49 cents each. So that was an easy buy for me. And it is whatever's remaining. And if you think about it, there's a lot of shoppers that probably went and did Hobby Lobby, Walmart. They're tired. They're not going to go out to this event. And so that's why I probably found a lot. Later in January, lots of little decor, ornaments, that sort of stuff too. Keep your eyes out. And this isn't just all in the clearance section or on a table. It's peppered throughout the store, and you really have to be patient when the employees get to it. So I went later in the afternoon, and that's when I hit the gold mine. This little friend was like $4.99, $3.99. Every week it was cheaper, and then I got it for 49 cents. And then lots of these little stuffies like Barbies and stuff, perfect to put in kids' stockings, little dolls and stuff. 49 cents is a terrific price point. Is that Harry Potter or is that Barbie? Let me know in the comments down below. A 3-pack of these Miniverse eggs or like balls, $2.49 for 3, fantastic price point. At the front, they have a bunch of Funko Pops for sale, and some of them were reduced down to 99 cents, which is an unheard of price point. Lots of kids' toys, these different sets. I didn't see them at 49 cents, but 2.49 was the cheapest I saw, I think the second week of January. And then even like Star Wars stuff. So throughout the store, look high, look low, and look at the tags. The employees can't manually drop the prices for you. They have to put the tag on, and that's how they scan at the register. It's a different kind of shopping. And there's a ton of cheap, cheap, cheap fashion, hats, boots, clothing, coats. $3.99 for this gorgeous Juicy Couture set. $13.99 for this Hello Kitty bathrobe. I found this maybe the first week of it. And then lots of like little cardigans, jeans. All over the store, you got to look. And usually they have a couple racks of the clothing right at the front. And then lots of little like kitchen decor, that sort of stuff. Be on the lookout for that. Also, this for 99 cents. How adorable. My haul from last year, I'm going to link it right here. I wish you guys good luck. Start scouting your stores and get organized. Have fun.